Good morning, traders. It's Paul from I want to be a forextrader.com and dailyforextrader.me. Looking at the order management this morning, I've got two Aussie shorts on that I'm up 70 pips on together, 60 or 70 pips, something like that. And I had a sterling yen that stopped out last night about 35, whatever. I've moved the targets for the two Aussie trades now, so they're at the next white lines down. What am I doing? Let's have a look. Aussie. I think we're at Aussie dollar we've got, so you can see Aussie dollar's short. My entry was here Friday. As you can see, it's now sitting down there. It's just broken down here. First target was this dotted white line. I've just moved my target down to this other dotted white line here, so we're just letting it flow. The stop loss is actually, I can't lose this trade. Actually, look at where the stop loss is. There, it's actually inside where the sell is. Sell will start entries there. I put lots of trades on with this. Now, tiny lot sizes. If you've got 20 trades on, you lose 3 of them, you get 8 of them. That's fantastic. And if they're tiny lot sizes, you know it's much easier to deal with. So this trade can't lose that trade. I've got Aussie Chief is showing signs of retracing, although everything's bearish on it, so I've stuck the order on anyway, just for the fun of it. And Signal Trader will basically move the order down with this red dotted line, so that's a buy order. So it'll just sit there with the red dotted line. What happened last night? It dropped down to here, bounced back up again, and that's what stopped out my GBP JPY. Let's go have a look at that. This is not a bad trade, because you know you have to do bad trades to get the good ones. So here's the short signal. So there's the entry. Luckily, I did actually put it on before the weekend, the short order, and it was following it down. I think the entry was about here. Yeah, it was here, and it was following it down. It took it over the weekend, bounced back up again, bounced down again, and stopped me out kind of here. You can see where the red dotted line is. So whatever, it's 0.01. I've made that back already on the other two trades I've got open. I've only got one other trade open, and that's the Aussie. And let's go and have a look at the web thing and see if there's anything else worth trading. Having a look at. At the moment, Signal Trader's saying that there's possible reversal coming out. Aussie Chief already set that one up. There's another one here, Aussie Yen. Everything's bullish, and it's saying we should place a buy on it. Let's go and do that. And we'll go and flip back to the chart. Flip back to Signal Trader, to Aussie Yen. There, where's it gone? You notice how I don't really look at the numbers, because Signal Trader does all that for me. In fact, it manages the trades all the way through the process, from the order stage right the way through. Aussie Yen again, thinking about a retrace. Look, it's pretty early in the day to say it's going to retrace the Aussie Yen, especially because of what's been happening. You can see on Friday to Monday, the same sort of picture as the sterling yen actually. So, but the longer term trends are bullish, even though the short term's bearish. So I expect this to bounce back. So any second now, my order will appear on this chart. In fact, I think it's already there. Is it already there? Any second now, it will turn up. Right, Aussie Yen buy. Yep, there it is. There's the Aussie Chief buy, so the Aussie Yen buy hasn't got there yet. Takes a little bit of time for the web interface. Oh no, there it is. Aussie Yen's just turned up. You see that buy stop there? And you'll see that at the moment it's sitting right up here. Any second now, Signal Trader will move the buy order right down to where that red dotted line is. Okay, it'll take it a few minutes to get on and do that. It'll do it when it thinks it's safe to do so, and then it will just wait for the market to turn. So what will happen is, as this goes down with the market, it could even go down as far as here and bounce up. Signal Trader will hold that order on the red dotted line. So when the market's ready to turn, I'm in the right place. Even though I don't actually have to do anything myself. I can go off and have a cup of tea, slice of cake, or whatever I want to do. Not this time of the morning, it's 5:30 in the morning. Anyway, so that's the way I'm working this system, is that I will put on, I try to stick to about 10 trades and orders. So if I've got 3, let's say I've got 5 live trades on, there it goes. Did you see that? Did you see that move? If you're watching this on the video, rewind it, just watch it do it. Okay. I'm basically looking to have 10 orders or trades on at any one time. Okay, and every morning I basically take off all the orders that haven't gone, go and re-evaluate, and I do that during the day as well, lunchtime when I'm at work, my other job. I take some time out and I have a little re-evaluation at lunchtime. Otherwise, I just leave it alone, let it go on with it. I've got better things to do than sit here staring at charts. Other people can draw lines and Elliott waves and all that stuff and Fibonacci ratio thingies. I'll just let Signal Trader get on with it. So that's how it's working. So I'm 70 pips up this morning, less than 35 I lost. That's about 45 pips, I suppose. Looking for, there's the other order gone on, 26, yeah, 26 plus 42. That's not bad for, that's 2 trades that were sitting on yesterday. And it's Monday morning. And I used to say, don't trade Sunday night, but now, whatever. Stick the orders on. If it takes them, it takes them. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Whatever. It's great. Okay, so that's my. I bet you wanted trading. You know, I've also written a piece on the blog at dailyforextrader.me about why Signal Trader doesn't give signals. Because I remember there was some talk some time ago. People were saying to me, "Oh, you should sell signals. You should sell signals." But I don't believe in doing that because it doesn't help you. Because Signal Trader doesn't run trades like that. Okay, other systems might run like trades like that. But if I give you a signal now to say short that, and you don't read it till the morning, you might go, "Oh, short it? Why would I want to short it? Look what it's done." So, and Signal Trader will manage the trade. So, if you put a short on here, it'll follow the trade down until it's such time as the market's ready to take your long. And likewise, if you were in a short, if you were looking for a long, sorry, if you were in a long, you would have stopped out last night. Oh no, you'd have achieved the target. Look where the target is. You'd have smacked against the target and taken the profit. This one's been talking about a reversal for a long time, so so it was well due to make this big move down to here. Maybe it's going to make its way back up again. I don't know. All I do is I'm just looking for the targets, and if I'm concerned about a trade or I think it's not going to carry on, then I call it a day. So I've got my 2 trades on now at the moment. Aussie, New Zealand, and Aussie US dollar. This is just a test account I use. So that's why there's funny amounts of money in it. Yep, got my trades on there. 27 plus 43 pips. There's only 2 others, 4 trades on. So I'm looking to build that up to 10. So I've got another 6 trades to find during the day. Might be interested in Euro. What's Euro Aussie looking like for a short? Look at New Zealand yen. That looks interesting. So let's go look at that. New Zealand yen. New Zealand's been the yen's been failing dismally at everything, really. Oh yeah, look at that. So there's a congestion order going on here. That's this blue box with the red bits on the outside. Everything's bullish, but it's come down. So what's it likely to do? Go back the other way? I think it probably might. So let's go ahead and put that one on. New Zealand yen. Okay, see a hit place update order. Goes to pending, so that's 5 orders. I've got to find another 5 for the morning. Well, I'll do that probably as the morning goes on. If I'll get some signals to my phone, not signals really, but just indications there's a good trade coming. Any second now that that order will appear on this chart. Looking for a retrace. Only up to here, not a long way. It's 60 odd pips. But the thing is, if it does get up there and looks like it's carrying on going bullish, I'll hold it there. So how are my other babies doing? We've got Aussie, New Zealand, Aussie dollar, Aussie, New Zealand. I can't lose this one. Oh, look at that beautiful drop. Lovely. Aussie dollar. Looks like the Aussie had a bad night. And we're in there. I can't lose either of these trades. Look at where the entry is. Sell 0.01. Look at where the stop is. It's right back there. So she'll just keep going now for me. Fantastic. That's great. That's a great trade. So target is excuse me. Target is 147 pips. So I don't know if we'll make that. We might not. But it looks pretty good. Apart from there's a weekly trend going against me. But whatever. I can't lose this trade, so I'll just leave it on. Right, have a good day, traders. I want to be a forextrader.com, Signal Trader trading system, and dailyforextrader.me for the blog.